What's up, guys? Brokeham here out at the park. I'm at park US 1972 Little Miami State Park. This is the Carl A. Rabe waterway access. It's part of the park. I got something cool I wanted to show you. I'm a little upset because, or not upset, I just bummed that K8 MRD beat me to the punch. I literally saw the video this morning that he posted about this exact same 3D print I'm about to show you. So this is a 3D printed hitch mount for your mast, and it's all on me because I've had this printed for about a month now, and I just haven't really used it except to set it up and test it once in my driveway. And yeah, so anyways, what I did, these slits are meant for you to put Velcro in, but since I'm cheap and I have tons of paracord on hand already, I just went ahead and laced up some paracord, and it kind of works. But I'm gonna use the paracord today. So let me go ahead and get this set up, and then I'll go ahead and show you guys what it looks like. All right, so I kind of took a pre-measurement of where about it's gonna sit when I have it in there, and it's gonna be about there. So I went ahead and laced it up, and it's just like a boot lace is what I was going for. And so now I'm gonna go ahead and just stick it in. All right, so we're just gonna stick this in here, and we'll go about right there. Put the pin in, and it's a little high, but that's okay. We can adjust it down. There we go. So now we just raise our mast. I'm gonna go ahead and get the antenna set up. This is the Spool Antenna Ultra, and I've used this one a couple times. I really like this one. I gave away the Parks version in a live stream I did, or not, I'm sorry, on the Ham Radio Clubhouse. They asked me to come on for, I guess for an interview or something, just to kind of learn more about me. And it was my 1,000 sub giveaway. So one lucky person walked away with a Spool Antenna Parks, and lucky. I really like this antenna system. I know there's other spool antennas out there. I'm actually building the one from Tufton. He's got, or not, I'm sorry, not Tufton, but I do think he's building one from DigiRig. DigiRig, you can buy one, or they have the STL and the plans to make one. So I'm working on that. I've got it 3D printed. I've got all the parts purchased. I just have to actually put it together. And that one's nice because the this one is you have to kind of hold in the middle here and spool, and there's no actual moving parts. The the DigiRig one actually has a spin built in, so I think that's pretty darn cool. Okay, let me get my coax. I'm putting the matching unit up high because that is actually how they test these, and I was getting some good performance out of it when I was doing it that way at home. So since this is kind of a tougher spot, I'm going to do that to kind of give myself the best advantage here. And hopefully that helps. I think I've kind of messed myself up here, and I've got this all tangled now. That's the kind of disadvantage of that, is that you have to kind of unspool this before you can raise everything. I guess I could leave it hang up there, but we're just going to do it this way. This is what I'm kind of used to. Now, one thing I do need to add to my pack is some flags, like so I could mark this off, so when I'm out here at the park, I'm just setting up in this parking space here, and I was going to put my stuff in a spot. I just don't want people to trip over the line. And I'm probably talking like nonsense because I'm trying to do two things at once. That is not my forte. No way. Well, you guys can't see that, but I like looped my feed line somehow. I got one more and one more. Okay. So, some news about this park. This is kind of where I come to test everything. And I have learned since coming here that you are not allowed to put anything in these trees, which I have definitely done a lot of. So, it's another reason for me to use this trailer hitch mount. Trying to respect the rules, you know. And just be respectful of other people. So also, if I'm over here, I'm not in the shelter with a loud radio. Do 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 do. The other thing is, since it's summertime, this is busy because this is where people get off to they get off and they launch their kayaks here. So that is another thing. If I'm over here, I'm kind of furthest away from the water. And if I had paid attention, I would have saved myself a ton of work here, because I'm having to basically do all this 3 times because I'm not paying attention. Okay. So, anyways. Okay, now I can raise this all the way. And this is a POTA Explorer 20. So it's only 20 feet. Been toying with the idea of getting the 33-foot variant, which would be nice because that's the heavy mast. Okay, let me bring my feed line over here. Plug it into my radio. And then that is why I put these ground spikes in here, because I run my line out, my antenna wire, and stake it down. Now I'm going to go this way because there should be less people walking over this way, because it's just part of the entrance, whereas the rest of the parking lot's the other way. So try to be careful not to kink this wire. I do like this wire because it's so small, but it's also, I don't know how strong it is because it is so small. So hopefully I have enough space here. This is 60 feet, I think. So, might be a little short. Or I might have just enough. Now, see, I'm on the ground. I need to... Here, we're going to walk around this tree. Hook this up over here. Yeah, I don't have enough room here. I'm getting a call from potential spam. Alright, I'm going to do something like this. I'm going to fold back this wire. This is not the optimal setup. Actually, I don't like this. If we're going to do that, we'll just go over here. Yeah. And then I will set this over here. And now I just gotta make sure nobody comes walking this way. So we got all set up now, and turn the station on. We got a station right on top of us, so perfect.
I'll take that all day long, my friend. 73 is okay. The park to park.
Kilo 8 Alpha Romeo Hotel, park to park.
I got you, Kilo Alpha 8. Kilo 8 Alpha Romeo Hotel, park to park. My friend, you're 5x5. Go ahead with your park number.
My park number is US 1972. US 1972. I got you about you just faded on me real bad, about a 1-1 right now, but I heard you about a 5-9 earlier.
Hey, QSL, you got my second park, 10258, 10258, Roger?
Roger, Roger.
Hey, thanks, man, 73.
73.
1-1 before LOCQ Parks on the air. This is Whiskey 5, Whiskey Papa Sierra.
CQ POTA, 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 CQ POTA.
Whiskey Juliet 2 Bravo.
Whiskey Juliet 2 Bravo. I got you about 10 over here into Park US 1972. Thank you for New York, 7-3.
7-3, have a cool activation, good luck.
QRZ, Kilo 8 Alpha Romeo Hotel, CQ POTA, CQ POTA, CQ POTA, CQ POTA, CQ POTA, CQ POTA. Somebody's upset that I'm here. CQ POTA, 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 CQ POTA. Whiskey Bravo Niner November Delta Golf QSL. Thank you for the 52 into Florida. I got you at 3-1 into Oscar Hotel QSL. 7-3. CQ POTA, 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 Kilo 8 Alpha Romeo Hotel. Yep, sorry, you got a lot of noise on my side. I got you at a 5-9 into US 1972. Copy?
Okay, you took a big dip on me. I think you said 1972, is that correct?
QSL, QSL.
All right, and you have a great day and good activation.
7-3. That's 4. So we're failing, but that's okay. I'm used to failure. This is a really tough park to activate. Sun's right in my face. So there's a hill here, like a mountain there. Then we've got trees, and then there's a mountain on the other, not a mountain, but a big hill. And so we're just kind of in a valley here. It's not very great for propagation. What I did was I got the G90 here, just on the bed of my dirty truck, and then feed line goes all the way up to that. There's actually a branch pulling my wire down, so it goes down then that way, which I'm sure isn't helping the situation. But then we follow it, come down over here. Comes over here. Oh, it's actually stuck on some bark. That was it. That's what I needed right there. And then I've got it wrapped around that pole. It's making a 90. It's the best I can do with where I kind of parked. So if I had parked over another spot or so, I had more room, but I didn't want people, nobody should be walking through this area right here, which is why I kind of did that. So, well, It's all right. I'm used to failing. I like this bag though. Everything fits in there perfectly. So I'm actually going to go ahead and clean up real quick because I lost track of time. I was supposed to clean up about 10 minutes ago. So if you want this bag, links are in the description. If you want this Boltena, I got a link in the description. If you want this hitch mount thing that I may or may not have talked about in this video, link will be in the description. So that's all the time I have for today. This is the brokeham, K8ARH saying 73.